Hello students, Standard 11, Chapter number 3, Discovering Turtle, Shara continues, in which the first part that we see. What is Turtle? Turtle, it means an Egyptian king, it means a king of Egypt, and who became a king at a very young age, a young age, only 11 years old. At that time, when he died, and after his death, he was buried in a coffin. And as you know that Egypt is a country that important is so much. And at that time, he was buried in 3-layer coffin. And the coffin body is called a mummy. And the mummy was layered in 3 layers. Almost every basic thing was buried with her. He also 3-layer, it means it gold. It was made of gold. It can be supposed that we can image that how much value was that at that time. And then what was happened? Actually, the story is divided into 2 parts. The first part is about the Egyptian king whose name is Turtle, and second part is the real fact of the Egypt. What is the real fact of Egypt? The real fact of Egypt is that they have a very importance of dead body. They call the dead body mummy. And they buried the mummy in a coffin box. In a coffin box, they also put the basic necessity or a life or likeable things of the person. A person whose name is American, who wanted to study about the mummy. And that's why he went to the tomb. Tomb means a place where he was buried. He went there. He put out all the things from his coffin, but he could not read what was written on his body. So, he put the body into a certain temperature, 149 Fahrenheit temperature, but though he could not read, so he has an idea that he want to CT scan the body, and after CT scan he could read that. So, we can also say that the dog's sleep body was the first mummy's body on which the CT scan was made. Let's see what was going ahead about the chapter. In his defense, Carter Perry had little choice who want to study the dog's body. Its name is Carter. If he hadn't got the mummy free, he was mostly certainly would have circumvented the guards and ripped it apart to remove the body. When he put the body on the sunlight, he felt that if he put the body as well outside of the coffin, then all the person come here and take the body. The Turtle boys were fabulously wealthy, and they thought, or how they could take the life wages with that. He felt that if he put the body outside, the person or a things come and then takes the valuable things. For his journey to the great beyond thing, Turtle was lavished with the glittering gold, precious colors, inlaid necklace, and bracelets, rings, amulets, ceremonial apron, sandal, feather for his finger and toes. It means he was decorated from head to toe. And now, identical inner coffin and master polishing. All of pure gold, and everything was made of gold only. To separate Turtle from his adornments, when he was decorated its adornments, Carter's men removed the mummy's head and saw clearly the major joint. Once they had finished, they reassembled the remains of the layer of the sand in a wooden box with a padding cord of concrete the damage. In a bed where the now rest. He put everything. Actually, first of all, not that. The carter's man put out everything from his body. Then, when he showed that what is there inside, he reassembled the body again. And then, he closed the coffin and rested. Archaeology has changed the separately in the decades. 1 decade equal to 10 years. Decade is more than 10 years. Focusing less on the treasures and more than fascinating detail of life and intricate mysteries of death. It also uses more sophisticated tools, including medical technology. In 1968, more than 40 years after Carter's discovery, and another profession x-rayed the mummy and revealed a startling fact. Beneath, the reason that cat's misjudged, it means he cut out the body inside his breastbone and front ribs are missing. When he put out the body part, then he felt that there is two parts missing of his body. First is his breastbone and second is his ribs. Today, dynamic image can be done complicated topology, it means CT. C it means complicated, T means topography. By which hundreds of X-rays in cross section are put together like slices of bread to create a three-dimensional virtual body. It means he thought that if he put CT scan of his body, he could read that what is inside of that, what is the mystery of his death. What more would a CT scan reveal of touch than the action? And could it answer the biggest question why the two parts of the body are missing? Still information about him, how he died, and how old was he at the time of his death. Two main questions of his life is death. What is the reason of his death? And second, how old when he was dead? And the two answers only given by the CT scan. King Tut's demise was a big event. Even by royal standards, many royal people came to his demises. He was the last of his family and foreknown post-death rattle of his destiny. But the particles of his passing away and its aftermath are unclear. Why he was dead, why his body is not working, at which age he was dead, that are the mystery of the last destiny of this Tut family. Amenhotep III, it means his forefather. Tut's father or grandfather was a powerful pharaoh, it means king, who ruled over almost 4 decades at the height of the 18 densities of Golden Age. It means Tut's father and forefather, it means the Amenhotep III and IV ruled over the Egyptian golden countries more than 40 years. 4 decades, it means 40 years. His son Amenhotep IV succeeded him, it means his father. And it became about the strengthening period in the history of ancient Egypt. The new pharaoh promoted the worship of the Aten. Aten it means the sun, god. Like here the god of Krishna, Shiva, Ram. And the Egyptian god it means the Aten. The third disk changed his name, Aten. It means the Aten name changed by the Aten. Or servant of the Aten, it means the servant of God. And moved the religious capital from old city of Thebes of a new city of the Athens. A major boy selects his images and closes his laptop. It must have been a horrifying time because the weapons are closed at that time. Said Ray Johnson, director of the University of Chicago's Research Center in Georgia, the site of ancient Thebes, the valley that had ruled for centuries, was coming to an end, and then Akhenaten went a little way. After Akhenaten means a place of Egypt, a city name of Egypt, there a mysterious ruler named Sennacherib appeared briefly and excited with a heartbeat stress. And then a very young Turtle took the throne, King Tut. He was widely known to be Amenhotep's III, Amenhotep IV, and then Tut, and then Akhenaten's death. After the Akhenaten's death, Turtle Khan was coming into the world and he was very famous at that time also. The boy king soon changed his name, Turtle Khan, living image of Amun, and oversaw a restoration of his old ways. He resigned for about 9 years and then died unexpectedly. He resigned from his throne, and after his resign, after 9 years, he was dead. Regardless of his fame and speculation about his fact, Tut is one mummy among many Egyptians. How many? No one knows. How many mummies are there in the Egyptian? Egyptians also don't know that answer. The Egyptian mummy project, which began an inventory in late 2003, remind the year the Egyptian mummy project was started in the late 2003, means the last month of 2003. Has recorded about almost 600 so far and still counting. In 2003, there was about 600, but now it was more and more. The next prize scanning the mummies with a portable CT machine donated by the National Geographical Society, cement bricks. Its manufacturing. King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned, and that is in life moving regardless ahead of his country. A CT machine scanned the mummy height to toe, it means up to down, creating 1,700 digital X-ray image in a cross section. Tut's head scanned in 0.62 mm slice to register his intricate structure, text on the illegal detail. In the resulting image, with Tut's entire body similarly recorded, a team of specialists in radiology, forensics, and anatomy began to probe the secrets of the lunar goddesses and leader jewelries shrine protect Shulu. The night of the sky, whom a workman carried Tut of the tomb in his box. Like pelicans, they climbed around and tried to stress into the spreading sand outside. They rose a hydraulic lift into the trail that held the scanner. 20 minutes later, 2 men emerged, spelling of the office nearby, and returned with a pair of white plastic frames. The $1 million scanner had piped because of the sand in a cooler frame. It was not in the sun. First of all, they put the body on the sun. Because of the frame, dropped a guard nevertheless. It means there was a line on the Tut's body that if you find it out, you will be died soon. Eventually, the substitute fence works well enough to finish the procedure. After checking that no data had been lost, the technical turned Tut over the workman who carried him back into his town. Less than 3 hours after, he was removed from his coffin. It means in the less than 3 hours he was with the body. Now, perhaps again rested in the place where the Fermian priest had laid him so long ago. Back in the time, a technical pulled up aesthetic image of Turk in a computer screen. A grey-haired thread from a scattering of pixels and technical span treated in every dimension. Neck vertebrae appeared as clearly as in the anatomy class. Other images revealed a hand and several views of rib cage and a transaction of the skull. But for now, the pressure was off. Sitting back into his chair, Zahir smiled, visibly revealed that nothing had gone seriously wrong. It means it was a natural death. I didn't sleep last night, not for a second, he said. I was so worried, but now I think I will go to sleep. By the end of that, we felt Taylor describing the mental stress of the sandy ground. The wind had stopped, the winter air lay cold and still, like death itself, in the valley of the departed. Just above the entrance to Turnstone stood Oli, the constellation that the ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Osiris, the god of afterlife, watching over the body of the king. So, at last it was revealed that it was a natural death of Tut. Here we completed our nation. Have a nice day.